welcome back to my channel. For all my returning viewers, thank you so much. And for all those who gave me a thumbs up and a like, thank you too. And for my subscribers, I promise you I'm going to try to do more videos to earn your subscription. So my fellow dears, as you know, at the cafe, you have to have a beverage of your choice and a snack to get through my videos. So I do hope you all have one with you and you're in that comfy spot so that we can get into today's video. And today's video, I am going to be reacting to Dimash's new song, Karagym-ai, I believe that's how you pronounce it. And I'm going to leave any information to the story behind the song in the description box so that you guys can click on the link and get more information about it. So, if you're interested, please keep watching. Well, my dear friends, what an extraordinary journey. I have to say, Dimash, keep taking all of us on these journeys. Like I think you need to carry like a extra container of oxygen with you in order to breathe, because he just takes your breath away, and it's like unbelievable. So yes, I needed the moment after this video, because it was absolutely heartfelt. I literally felt his pain. You know, it just, I lost control, because I thought, you know, maybe all the stuff that's going on around him is a little much for him. And I know he tried to express it in the various things that he's doing right now, but I mean, you could only do so much, you know, in the open, but I'm pretty sure in private, you know, he's worried and concerned about a lot of things, and there's a lot of pressure, maybe all the time, on him for various things, because as we all know, he has to be everything to everyone. So I'm sure he's trying to please family and everyone else. So yes, this video was heartfelt, and I felt it a lot also because I know he lost one of his best friends recently too, the young man Dennis 10. I'll put a picture right here, so that you can get to see a little bit about Dennis.
I'm Dennis 10. I'm a figure skater, born in Kazakhstan. My country is very special. It's not very well known worldwide. It's only like 20-something years old. I'm 23 today. Same age with my country.
I personally feel, because his friend was killed in that brutal death in 2018, I think it really hit him in his heart, and he's grieving his friend also with his mentor, along with the fact that he can't be on stage in the midst of all of his fans, because you guys, you dears, know we are Dimash's wings, and for him not to have that support to inspire him, I know he's missing that. And on top of that, you know, he has 2 deaths, and you know, the COVID is preventing him from touring, and I'm sure family pressure to get married and have kids, and I think he's worried about a lot of things. So I honestly wished that, as much as I love all the vocal coaches and the reactors, I honestly wish that for this particular song that they just allowed him to grieve. I just wish that they would would have given him a pass on this particular song, because it was a tribute, you know. I just wish they would have just give him a pass and not do any analysis on this one, because it's so personal. I mean, he is, you know, he is an artist, but he is a human first. And I think, you know, everyone should have just honored that, and not give him a grade on this particular song, because everybody felt his pain. I mean, if you don't feel the pain in his voice, and this is not him singing to a song that just, you know, someone wrote for him. It's him singing a tribute to the death of someone who meant a lot to him. So that is far different. And yes, he sang it, I think in 2016, but it had a whole different meaning. So for this particular song, I just wish everybody just respected it and just left it alone and just grieved with him and gave him a pass on the analysis. So that's the only thing I felt, bad about with this particular reaction and song. Well, my dear friends, if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and subscribe, like, give me a thumbs up, share, turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when I upload my next video. And for all my subscribers, you know you have a special place in my heart. And I am gonna be uploading a new video soon, so be watching for that one. So, that's it for today. Bye for now.